This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the ghost envelope box card. So I am going to start here by putting my base together. I've already put my backing piece with my white piece here for my sentiment together. I'm just going to go ahead and put these in place. Really making a mess with glue tonight. I have these little flower clusters. These are for the corners of the sentiment. There's two for the sentiment if you want to use them. My glue is not coming out. There it goes. No, it's too much. So I'm just going to put these right in the corner of my little sentiment here on the back. And now I'm going to put on my panels. Now, if you wanted more space to write a message, you could use the inside liner on the back, cut it out in white, and add that to the back, and that would give you a nice big space if you had more of a message that you wanted to write. Now this piece you're just going to line up towards the bottom here of your card and then side to side. And then we have our decoration for the front. So I'm just cutting my foam square down so that I can pop this up on the front. Okay. There we are. Now I'm going to put this together because I want to pop the flower up a little. Okay, now let's put in our liner. And then let's just set this aside and work on our insert. Uh-oh, that is not the band that goes on this hat. Hopefully it's this one. I have another card over on the side. And that is the right band. There we are. Okay, and I'm just going to add this flower to the hat. There we are. Line that up. And then we're going to add that to our insert. And I think I want this to pop up as well. Okay. There we are. Now let's pull in our envelope. We're going to put glue on the tab, leave the tab out flat. Okay, and then glue this to the other side. Now because I have foam on there, it's not, you have to be careful because it's not lying as flat. So I'm going to put glue on that tab. I'm going to go ahead and get this in here and do this all at once. You can see how it's kind of bulky here in the center because it's not wanting to lie down flat. But there she is. There is the ghost envelope box card. Thank you for joining me.